Hi, Steph. How are you? Steph's the cutest, and she's also the teacher. Okay, we're all the cutest. Yay! Say hi.
Wow. Like it looks like the tracks that a cart would make in the ground. Yeah. And these are delicious.
Oh.
Sea snails? Sea snails.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, amazing. Amazing. The meat, mince it, and I really like it in like an aglio olio pasta. Yeah. And I've recently been shredding parsnip and deep frying that, so you've got an extra crunch on top of the pasta. Oh, I don't know why, but I love it. These will go into my freezer.
Oh my gosh, there's so many. Wow.
You never know if they're going to be full or not, but...
Alright. That's what we're doing. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Okay, I'm gonna pick an easy one. Wow. I can't even tell if this is like recording. Okay. Alright. Which one? This one?
No, see this one in the corner?
Oh, the corner?
So that'll
Okay.
fall, if you do it from
This side, it'll fall that way.
It'll fall that way, yeah.
Okay, ready? Ah, no.
Okay, now
touch
try
is
to
done.
repeat.
Yeah, done.
She's
Forget it.
feel it?
Yeah.
Oh, I got another one.
Just having a great time.
Coming back.
Go do it.
Just give me a heads up.
Alright. I'll say wave coming.
Yes.
Okay. Great. Big wave or any wave? Okay. Medium wave. Is that a medium? Okay, good. Just getting my calibration. Alright.
I got this one.
Oh, dude, that's amazing. Oh my god. Okay. I'll put them both in the bag. These are insane.
Thank you.
This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Wow. Okay, I'm coming. This is insane. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. Crazy times. Wow.
I think we have enough.
Let me buy a license.
Alright, let's see how many we get.
Alright. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, you got some more.
Wait, coming.
Okay.
I'm just gonna get a bit higher.
Amazing. That is a true great moment. Wow. angle, and then clip it. Oh, I'm gonna clip it close. Okay, because when you close it, okay. Do I have to like stab it?
Yes.
Okay.
But if it's shut, so
Stab it open. Okay, got it. And then in. Alright, this will be interesting. Ready?
Yeah, and I'll just try and drive it in. Yeah, perfect. That's enough.
Okay, and then out.
No, in.
In.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Flying one. This is beautiful. Thank you so much for showing me the light.
You're welcome.
This is incredible. This is the easiest way to open an uni I've ever tried.
And normally I'm there with my blunt
I
knife
know.
just bashing away, you know?
Like, oh my god.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Yeah, so these are
Alright. I'll keep. Incredible, this thing.
Oh, that's a
Wow, there's a black.
Yeah, I wouldn't. No, no.
Yeah.
That's the
No, the
There's
bird
just
looks
no-
black. I mean, the
Oh yeah, it's
never seen black donuts before.
yeah. I don't want to eat that.
Yeah, that doesn't look delicious. All right, we'll just put those over here. Let's do another one.
I'm obsessed.
I'm gonna keep best. Okay.
Come out of the brain, I'll put it over here,
Oh, that's a beautiful color.
Oh, it's fun.
Wow.
Nice.
This is the best. All right, and I'll clean all these too. I'm so excited.
I'm gonna die.
This is what happens when you take a greedy mofo out to an uni party. And you're like, oh, look, we caught lots of uni. What are you going to do?
Pile it up.
Double layer.
Stay in your
Exactly right. It should be a 1-to-1 ratio.
double decker.